This video about testing MOSFETs. There are two types of MOSFETs. One is N-channel and other one is P-channel. Those pins are labeled as gate, source and drain. When you give power to gate, the gate will be opened and the current will go from source to drain. If the MOSFET is P-channel, when you give a ground current to gate, the negative current will go from source to drain. And also, if it is N-channel MOSFET, when you give positive current to gate, the positive current will go from source to drain. It is easy to understand the pinits of MOSFETs as there is no different either N-channel or P-channel. The location of pins are unique. Shall we check how to test these MOSFETs?
When you check the MOSFETs, you have to change the multimeter to diode mode. You know that the drain and source pins are second and third. So then don't forget to short the pin. Then you can see there is a current flow. At the side there is no current flow. It is because of that diode. If you check the diagram, you can see there is a diode between drain and source. Now shall we see how to check it? There is no reading. Now give the current to the gate, then you can see there is reading. What is doing? You know, this is a P-channel MOSFET because of the diode location. Power goes that side. There is no reading, then give positive power. Then so this is N-channel. Shall we use the burnt one? Not only a good one, shall we use the burnt also? Same type of. It's also IRF 540 MOSFET. Same channel. Shall we check pin by pin? You can see there is reading. There is again reading. It is short. There is reading. There is reading. Now I am using the P-channel MOSFET. This is IRF 9648. Okay, shall we check the source and drain? There is no reading. Other side it must be a reading because of the diode. As you can see. Shall we change side? We are going to short it. Then give ground power. Give ground power to gate and check gates work. Don't forget to short the MOSFET pins. I will connect another burnt MOSFET of each channel. This one is a MOSFET. What is You can see what is always short. All the pins are short. Even though you don't know the type of the MOSFET, whether it is P channel or whether it is N channel, you can identify the pins using this test. There is another N channel MOSFET. I got it from a computer power supply. So we will see is it working. Yes, diode is working. There is no short. Okay, it is working well. If you use this method to test the MOSFET, you can easily identify the pins, type of the transistor, and also whether it is working or not. We'll show again how to check the MOSFET type, whether P channel or N channel. First, connect ground pin to source and drain. Multimeter pins to source and drain. If you don't see a reading, change the pin. You see a reading, the pins are correct. Since the current flow go through you can see this current flow from negative side because there is a diode is located to other side. So this MOSFET is N channel MOSFET. Shall we check another MOSFET? A P channel MOSFET. Again, connect drain and source. There is reading. Change the pins. It is not reading. So it also switch on using ground. It is easy to identify is a P channel MOSFET. I think you know how to check MOSFETs and how to identify the pin numbers. If you learned something from this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay with SetNFix. With next video, it will almost be the final part of my LED project. Until then, see you soon. Stay safe.